My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 BMW 5 Series. This is the M Sport Edition. This is a hybrid vehicle with the diesel fuel type. An automatic transmission with just under 48,000 miles. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. We also have a keyless ignition. On our screen, we can access our media, communications, navigation, our car, and our apps, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC. This is a dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 3 different driving modes to choose from: Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats are full cream leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.